right, WMC, sorry for the delay on this baby here. We're going to run the mini for the Giannis framed and matted 16 by 20. We're looking for the top 3 here. So we'll check the time, December 6th at 6:33 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. And we've got December 6th at 6:33 p.m. There is the list of our 17 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 3 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, and last and final. Here we go. Good luck looking for the top 3. It is Joe, Edwin, and James. So, Joe, you'll get first pick of 4. Edwin, you'll get 2. And then, James, you'll get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, December 6th, 6:34 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.